Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel. So the Notify app has been a great app for the Amazfit watches as it unlocks a lot of tips and tricks. At the same time, we have the native Zepp app, which is the official app for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and other smart watches. So a lot of people used to ask me whether these two apps can be used at the same time and what are the settings we should be doing in the Notify app when we will be using both the apps at the same time for these Amazfit watches or Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So we will be answering all these questions in this video, and at the end of the video I will answer whether you can use both the apps at the same time and whether this can harm your smartwatch or not. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So a lot of people have asked in my channel whether it is safe to use Zepp app and the Notify app at once, and as the Zepp app is been the official app for Amazfit watches, it is the app everybody uses, but Notify app gives a lot of extra added feature. That's why Notify app has been a must app for the Amazfit users. So you should be having these both apps in order to get the most of the Amazfit watches, especially the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. What are the steps you need to do after downloading both the apps so that you can get the maximum out of the Amazfit watches? We will discuss in this video. So first of all, once you have downloaded the Zepp app, you will be having the options of notifications. So notifications should be enabled from the beginning in the Zepp app, and these notification reminders will be coming onto your watch once you will be getting a notification in your phone. After you have downloaded the Notify app also, you will be getting notification from the Notify app. So I will recommend you to disable the notification alerts of the Zepp app first, because if you enable notification in both the apps, you will be getting dual notification, which can be a problem sometimes. So just disable the notifications from the Zepp app in order to get the notifications from the Notify app itself. There is a reason why I am recommending you guys to disable the notification from the Zepp app, because in the Notify app you will be getting an extra feature, which is this show notification text feature, which is not there in the Zepp app. So in the Notify app, once you have downloaded, you just need to come into this last icon, click on apps, and here the apps will be listed for which you want to get the notification. You can obviously add a lot of apps for which you want to get the notification. I have added the YouTube Studio app and it works flawlessly. So in case of Zepp app, sometimes you will be getting the hidden notification message, because Zepp app does not have the option to show notification text for every app, but here you will be getting that. So if I come to WhatsApp, you will be getting the option of show notification text. You should be enabling it if you want to get all the notification text on your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini itself. That way you don't need to check your phone again and again. You can view the notifications on your watch. This is the step I will recommend you to do after downloading the Notify app. And also I will recommend you to come to calls, and here you will be getting the option of incoming call. So for WhatsApp call, you will be getting the option of VoIP calls. So if you enable this, you will be getting missed call notifications on WhatsApp calls and Telegram calls also, which is not there in the Zepp app. Apart from that, you will be also getting the caller ID feature. So for every number which has a caller ID, the name will be displayed, which is there in the Zepp app also, but in here you can get a lot more features. So I will recommend you to do this step also, because this VoIP calls feature is a very important feature, because you don't want to miss the WhatsApp calls on your phone itself. Apart from that, you can set reminders which are important reminders, like the drinking water reminder. So the drink water reminder option is not there in the Zepp app. You will be getting a drinking water reminder from the Notify app itself. So I will recommend you to enable this reminder, which are the important ones. Also for customization option, the watch faces option is there. So I will recommend you to download good looking watch faces. Whichever watch faces you want, you can download from the whole large array of watch faces which are there for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. After that, I will recommend you to come to the button option, and you will get the option of quick reply. If you come to quick reply, you can enable it, and this quick reply will be sent to people whenever they will be texting you, and you will be receiving a notification. So very important feature. If you want to send quick replies to people, you can do that with this Notify app. I have already made a video on this. I will leave a link in the description how to share or send quick replies via the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. After that, I will recommend you to come to this Notify button option, and in the Notify button you can use the camera feature. So the take photo rear camera feature will help you to take photo from the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini itself whenever you want. So if I click and enable this feature, if I go to the music player app and if I just click on this play pause button, instantly the camera will be opened and the picture will be taken. So this feature is a really useful feature because you can use your phone camera as a remote and you don't need to hold your phone and click the photos every time. You can use your watch itself to click photos. And apart from that, in the button option you can also configure the things as per your choice. So there are a lot of options you can do. You can take and receive a call from this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini also. I have created a video on that. You can start external apps, so you can start music player and start a music itself without even touching your phone. That you can do with this Notify app, and a lot of things are there which you can do. Other than that, what you can do is you can come to tools, and in your tools, just what you need to do is click on this phone battery low and phone battery full. So every time your battery will be fully charged, you will get a notification on your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, which is a real lifesaver, because we all know that overcharging damages the phone battery. So whenever you will be getting a notification, just remove and unplug the charger, and that will save your phone. And apart from that, what you can do is you can also enable this anti-lost my phone feature. So whenever your phone will be getting out of range or will be disconnected from your watch, you will get a reminder on your watch itself that your phone has been stolen, like that. So which is a great feature, so you can enable this one also. So these are all the important features which you can enable after downloading the Notify app. Other features are there, but those features are not extremely useful. So I will be mentioning all these features which you can perform or do on the Notify app after you download the app. And make sure you disable the notifications from the Zepp app, because it will create multiple notification issue on your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini or other Amazfit watch. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.